Hey, let me show you how we can fix this choose a browser and the search app notification on your Google Pixel smartphone. So in this case, I'm actually using the Pixel 7, but I also had this issue on the Pixel 7 Pro. And all you have to do is just to click here to choose the application. And on my Pixel, I've got all this, settings animation that was loading and nothing was popping. So what I find out, I'm not sure, it's probably some kind of the bug, that after turning on the do not disturb mode, it actually works. So I just turn on the do not disturb mode, and then I just select to choose apps, and now I don't have this login animation, and I can click next. And from this, I'm using actually the Chrome browser, so I can just click here, tap to set as default. Also, we have to set the search engine, so I'm using the Google one, click to set as default, and now it will actually disappear. So yeah, this is it, the quick solution. You can tell me if it works in your case. Please subscribe and see you in the next one.